Hello, I'm Tai Hui, the Chief Market Strategist for Asia Pacific from J.P.Morgan Asset Management, and welcome to this video discussing key macroeconomic themes from our second quarter 2021 Guide to the Markets Asia. Inflation and high interest rates are becoming the key focus for investors as we enter the second quarter of 2021. I'd like to share some of our thoughts on this topic before we discuss in more detail about how to invest in a rising interest rate environment and whether investors should look to rotate their equity allocation. Investors are pushing US government bond yields higher for two reasons. First, US and global economic outlook is improving. Infection numbers are coming down in the US and Europe. In the US, vaccination progress is good, and it could see more service sectors reopen in coming months. US President Joe Biden is also pushing through his $1.9 trillion fiscal package. A significant share of this will be spent in the next 6 months. Second, investors are worried that this growth improvement could lead to high inflation, and the Federal Reserve, or the Fed, will need to reduce asset purchases or raise interest rates sooner than expected. Now, we do expect inflation to rise in this coming quarter, but it is still unclear whether this inflation pressure is sustainable. Moreover, the Fed has said that it will keep monetary policy loose for some time. It will need to do more to convince the market that it won't let inflation run too high. For the rest of the world, Asian exports continue to be strong as global demand recovers. China is enjoying solid growth momentum, allowing its central bank and government to start normalizing monetary and fiscal policy. The important point to note is that interest rates are rising from a very low level and growth is improving, and this should still benefit risk assets, especially equities. We will discuss in more details investing in a rising yield environment and rotation in equities. If you want to get the latest copy of the Guide to the Markets Asia, please reach out to your J.P.Morgan Asset Management client advisor.